Hello friends, welcome to Ask. Do you know when do we use this and when do we use that? No worries. In this video, I will tell you use of this and use of that. Without wasting time, let's begin. First, I will tell you when we use this. We use this to show one thing which is close to us. Suppose I am standing here and an apple and ball is here, which is close to me. So I would say this is an apple and this is a ball. Now we see when do we use that. We use that to show one thing which is far from us. Suppose I am standing here and an apple and ball is here, which is far from me. I would say that is an apple and that is a ball. Okay, understood? Let's practice more examples. This is an umbrella. This is a cow. This is a bat. This is a mango. This is an elephant. This is a tiger. That is a peacock. That is a doll. That is an igloo. That is a car. That is a pen. That is a cup. That is a moon. This is a table. That is a chair. This is a pencil. This is a bag. That is a rainbow. This is an orange. This is a gift. This is a house. That is a fish. This is a hat. This is a book. That is a star. That is a tree. This is an ice cream. This is a flower. That is a sun. This is a kite. I hope you understand where do we use this and where do we use that. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.